5 questions you need to ask in order to increase your performance at work. Hi, I'm Keerthan. So if you don't know me, I'm the author of the book Why Being Independent is Awesome and XMoney Secrets. So in this video, let's actually discover about how do you increase your performance? How do you actually get yourself unstuck from that zone where you are not able to get the results in the tasks or projects or the things that what you are doing, right? How do we actually push through this forward and make it really satisfying and enjoying at the same time? So here is the first question that you need to be asking. The first important question is, am I training myself enough on the job responsibility or the capability that what I'm taking on? Right? Most of the time, the reason why people fail at work in any profession or anything that they do is they don't train themselves enough. You think about the athletes or any sports individual, how much of the amount of time they actually put themselves into the training zone, right? Or even if you are doing a great work like a painting or a drawing, or you are into serious professions like a doctor, lawyer, it's about the amount of practice, it's learning, it's training, right? So ask yourself, are you doing that? Because if you do not have this concept of mastery in your work, like if you do not have that benchmark, I want to become master at my work, then things are not going to happen. So that is a very important question to ask. Am I training myself enough on a daily basis, weekly basis and month-to-month basis? Here is the second question that can actually increase your performance rate, and that is am I doing the right planning, right? Am I doing the right planning? It's a very important question to ask. The reason is because sometimes our plan itself is wrong. Like it's like a strategy, right? You actually go into the west side to look for a sunrise. No matter how much of the planning is done to get that sunrise really well, but the direction is wrong, right? So you have planned for west side. Your action is there, right? So you have got yourself to actually jog and everything, but you want to see the sunrise, but you are going in a wrong plan, right? So that is where it is very important to actually ask, because many of the time what will happen, people directly jump into the action. So you do not want to get into the wrong direction enthusiastically. So you want to actually make sure that the planning is right. You are exactly very clear that what is that end destination looks like, and if you go on that path, what is that you're going to get in, right? Am I planning enough myself for that particular job to be done? Right? That is the second important question. Third important question to ask is that, am I taking enough action? The word is enough action, because most of the time, so many people do not take any action. The action is none. Or many of the time people just take like pretending actions, like they take like action but it is not the action, right? Pretending doesn't work. Or the third thing is that many people take average amount of action, even that doesn't work. It is massive action. So are you understanding? So this is very important. When you are actually getting yourself trained enough, when you actually have the plan which is right for you to move in that direction to get the destination, then you got to take enough action, right? So here is the fourth important question that you need to be asking. So to increase that performance is that, am I taking enough feedback? Right? You need to ask those people who have already been there, done that. You have to actually get yourself surrounded with mentors, colleagues who are doing better than you. That is when you can take a lot of feedback and start improvising, right? It is about how you actually take it in a way that is constructive for you to grow forward from there. If you do not take feedback, I have seen this many people, the biggest mistake in their working style is that they don't want to take any feedback, or they take it as a criticism, or they get any feedbacks, they receive that in a negative way. No, every feedback is a great gift for you to improvise that and take it forward to the next level, right? Ask yourself, am I taking feedback in my task? If you're not taking feedback, even though sometimes you might get results, but you could have got 10 times the results. For that you need feedbacks, because there are little tweaks here and there that you can improve to take it forward to the next level, right? So that is very important. Once you take that feedback, are you utilizing that feedback? The fifth question is, am I making enough improvements after taking the feedback? Most of the time what will happen, people take feedback, they listen from one ear and they actually forget from another, right? They just let it go, right? But that's not the objective. So once you take a feedback, it's very important to improve from that. Once you improve, right, you also need that cycle of back again, going through the training, planning, action, feedback, improvement, right? So training, planning, action, feedback, improvement, right? You keep doing this cycle, and that's exactly how you accelerate your performance and growth, right? I hope that you have actually got enough value in this particular video. If you'd love to get more of this type of video, please subscribe to the channel so that it encourages me to do more and more value videos like this to support you and serve you in the coming days. And also click that like button out there if you have liked this video, and also share it with those people who definitely need to see this. Thank you so much, and look forward to see you in the next video.